It's time to see all the ugly that the mountain region has to offer. And the first semifinalist is in Nederland, Colorado.
Hi.
Well, hello. Hi.
This is Leo.
Hi, Leo. Leo, you have fabulous hair.
Thank you.
I'm jealous.
It's fun to comb.
Can we talk about the outside of the house?
Let's do it.
All right. What is this?
It's a house of many shapes and sizes, that's for sure.
Basically, whenever the homeowner had money or materials, they would add on a section of the house. And so, unfortunately, it's got this sort of pieced together kind of look to it.
Straight?
Straight ahead. And this is the land of stairs and levels.
It gives me agita, and it makes me nervous. I see my lips splitting. You can't be drunk, you can't be sleepy, or you will fall and bust your lip.
He originally wanted to put a fireplace. And so underneath there's these cinder blocks, but his wife came home one day and said, nope, we're not doing that.
Nah.
Not having it. And so he just put the wood planks over it.
Let's move on to the greenhouse.
Okay, it's up these 2 flights of stairs here. And this is the greenhouse.
Yeah, it is.
It's very hard to control the temperature. It's either too cold or it can be too hot.
Was that a door at one point, or no?
I think he wanted to make it a door, and his wife said no.
Wait, is this a door too?
So that literally goes out onto the roof of the mudroom.
So they're just like big door-like windows.
Windows.
The doordo.
The doordo.
Doordo.
I've come up with a new word. It is a window that was meant to be a door, but then they abandoned the door plan and made it a window, and now it's a doordo. All right, I'm warm.
Yes.
Me too.
Yes, I'm more.
Okay, I think it's a consensus. We should go back inside.
Well, we are inside.
Outside of the greenhouse.
That makes better sense.
This is an interesting railing.
I thought it was wires. Well, it's not
Yeah.
wire, it's dinosaur art.
This is a velociraptor. This is a pterodactyl.
Leo's got it made in the shade. Calls his friends over. He's like, have you seen my velociraptor? How many kids can say that?
Wanna go play in your room now?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks, buddy. We'll see you later.
Watch the steps. Okay,
Up the stairs.
more stairs.
Yep. To the left here is the main bedroom we call the Pink Beast.
Yes, pink's my favorite color.
The bathroom's also pink toilet, pink sink, pink bathtub.
Pink, pink, pink! I like pink. Well, maybe not that pink. The ugly appearance of this place, with its different shapes and colors and materials, it feels like someone tried to make a house with a bunch of parts that weren't supposed to be a house. But I do like my term doordos. For function, they've got a greenhouse you can't grow stuff in, a claustrophobically narrow bedroom, and a living area that's all chopped up with stairs and stages, so you can't really hang out there. There's no denying they have beautiful views here, but if you have to go through the trouble of climbing that jungle gym just to see them, we got a problem. Let's see what else the mountain region has to offer. I'm heading 84 miles south to Larkspur, Colorado. Hi!
Hi! Welcome to
We
our house.
need to talk about this house.
My name's Al, and this is my wife, Karen. And we're known as the Rock House.
It doesn't really look like a house from the outside. It looks like a jail.
This house was built by a gentleman that our neighbors described as bohemian. The engineering behind this house is a guesstimate at best. And we talked to an architect, and he said, be glad that it's still standing upright.
The Rock is in the house?
Yes.
Yes.
The Rock is in the house.
Feel how spongy the floor is? The floor is literally moving.
What's going on?
There's no subfloor underneath there. It's literally on dirt.
The original owner built a dirt floor so that he could have his own growing going on inside. Yeah.
Holy cow. Okay. Let's hit the next level, I guess.
Watch your step. I can take your hand if you want.
Thank you.
Well, I just want you to be safe.
I've only seen these red rocks on TV and in pictures. It is something else to see them inside someone's house.
So this is our first level.
It's dark.
There are no hanging lights and there's no plugs.
Yeah.
There's one plug behind the closet over on that side.
Okay, I don't even care about the dirt floor. Give me some outlets.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
This is the third level.
I mean, I like this space.
You notice the bedroom door too, right?
This door?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that bedroom door. But it has a view of the rock.
It does have a great view of the rock.
Yes.
Of this portion of the rock particularly. This place has an ugly appearance that starts outside and only gets worse when you step inside. Function-wise, they have bathrooms and a place to sleep. The rest of it is not functioning. The fact that I can feel the lumps in the floor, that ain't for me. And there's no denying that this location is paradise. But when the outside is inside the house, we got trouble. It's like ugly on paradise. Oh, Colorado. Who knew you were so jam-packed with ugly? I've got one last semifinalist in the mountain region to see. And this time, I'm headed to Kalispell, Montana. Hi. How are you? Oh, hello. Mike, Marin, Cole, Caleb.
And Blake. And welcome.
I have to say, I noticed the stained glass.
Yeah.
All right.
Front and center.
So you bought a church?
Well, it was never originally a church. The original owner built this house in the shape of his initials. So the aerial view of the house is an LW because his initials were LW.
Really?
Yeah.
It's a little narcissistic, but okay.
Yeah.
I like personalized stuff, but the closest I get is I have my initials on my napkins in the guest bathroom. So what are we gonna check out first?
All right, we're gonna see the bedroom down here.
I mean,
They took some artistic liberties with the wallpaper.
is it cloth?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
it is?
fabric.
It is
Yeah.
fabric, yes.
Seems like they needed something to cover the awkward closet, so they put this curtain up, and then maybe they decided that they liked the curtain so much that they would just take the curtain fabric and then just paste it onto the wall.
You think we're stopping at this curtain? No. I'm gonna need some reams of this. So where to next?
We can go into the bathroom.
You gotta see this bathroom.
All right.
So this is also original to the house. This is marble,
Yeah.
shower tile.
This is amazing. Not the color I want.
No.
And it's like, you don't want to get rid of amazing stuff, even though you're like, I can't look at it anymore.
I know. It's like diarrhea puke.
Yeah. There's so much space. Yeah, you would get cold in this shower.
When we first moved in, we thought this is the baptismal font, you know, going along with the church house.
Yes.
This is where they come to baptize you.
The appearance is every which way but right. We've got pukey tiles, stained glass windows, and a monogrammed structure. The house is just confused. As for bad function, you find yourself shaving down cookie sheets. It's not functional. And it's a paradise when you step out onto the bluff overseeing those gorgeous mountains. But the trouble starts as soon as you walk in and don't know if you're in a house or a church. This is definitely paradise, and it's not cute. Hi, Karen. Hi, Alan. How are you guys?
Good.
You've been selected the ugliest house in the mountain region.
All right.